karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this legend. So that is Nokia 3310, or in Hindi you call it Nokia 3310. So guys, if you know Nokia, all of you must be familiar with 3310. Okay, so I bought it today because I always liked this phone. So it comes in this packing, like the see-through packing. Okay, today we'll unbox it and we will see what comes in the box. So guys, Nokia 3310 dual SIM. Okay, so this thing comes with 2 megapixel camera and it has a standby time of 25 days, and it comes with preloaded Snake game. So all of you who know Nokia, so they know Snake. It was a very addictive game. Okay, so now we'll open it and we will see. So guys, before I open it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 3200 Indian rupees for it. Okay, so let us open it. Okay, one seal here and I think one here. It unlocks, and here it is. So guys, this is Nokia 3310 2017 edition. So it comes with the Nokia marking on the back and a tiny flashlight and a 2 megapixel camera. So then what else is in the box? Let us see. And a Nokia charger. Then what we have is, then we have the Nokia headphones. What else is there? A quick reference guide and a battery, BL4UL. So battery size is 1200 micro amperes. So let us open it and we'll put the battery. We'll try to start it. So guys, I managed to open it after a few tries, and now we will insert battery to it. And then we close it. So this phone is new and the locks are very tight. Okay, here we go. So let us switch it on. Nokia, come on, come on. It is booting up. Yeah. Nokia language, automatic, continue, auto time, on, back, continue, and here it is. So guys, this is Nokia 3310. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more unboxing videos and technical stuff. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.